Hi, this is Julie with Usborne Books and More, and I am here to show you my favorite boredom busting activity books for kids ages 7 on up. First off, I love these little activity books that you can take on the go.
Put your code cracking skills to the test with over 50 secret codes, an entertaining book to learn how to disguise your own secret language. Over 50 brain games and over 50 brain puzzles are packed full of games, puzzles, mazes, and more. These books make any boring day or journey fun. If you have an upcoming trip, be sure to check out our travel-related books, 100 Things to Do on a Plane or 100 Things to Do on a Car Ride. These fun travel-related books have fun doodling, trivias, quizzes, mazes, logic games, and codes to unscrabble, anagrams, crosswords, and more.
Speaking of traveling, Across the USA Activity Book is just an awesome book with a lot of fun activities as well. This one's a little larger, and it's incorporating all the different states and information that you're going to be learning about our country. So that is great for road trips or traveling as well, or just for doing at home, but also learning about our country as you're having fun doing your activities. I love our Usborne Unworry book. This is an activity book to help calm the mind. It's a hardcover kind of journal type book with a little strap here that holds it all in.
This book is essentially a toolkit, providing kids who are dealing with stress and anxieties a place to sort through their thoughts and a wide variety of activities and coping tools and exercises such as journaling, breathing techniques, mindfulness, distractions, relaxation tools, and more.
I really love our Usborne Classic Graphics and Graphic Legend series. These are comic book style books that are great for older readers. We have the Three Musketeers, Robin Hood, King Arthur, The Hound of Baskerville, The Odyssey, and Dracula. Your young one likes writing, we have tons of different writing aids and create your own storybooks. This one here is our mystery and suspense stories. It's a hardcover book with a spiral binding inside, so the binding won't tear up, and it's got all kinds of fun story ideas to get them started on writing their own mystery and suspense stories, and lots of different prompts in there. If you are looking for something fun to do with your kid, try out the Start to Cook book.
This is the perfect book for beginning cooks of all ages. It has 150 plus jargon-free, easy-to-follow recipes with clear step-by-step directions and illustrations showing what to do at each stage. Maybe your young chef in training will be cooking you dinner before you know it.
100 Science Experiments is a really fun book if you are just wanting fun activities to do with your kid. This is going to be full of things that you can find around the house, and so it's all household items that you can use to make your different science experiments, and they'll be learning about science as they go and having a lot of fun. Another fantastic series for your older reader is our 100 Things to Know About series.
This one here is 100 Things to Know About the Human Body. We also have one on food, history, science, space, and our newest, numbers, computers, and coding. These books give a fun and fresh approach to reading nonfiction. Pictorial infographic style illustrations provide information in a very easy to read format.
like art, I have several good art books here. I have Art Skills and I have Art Ideas. These are actually very similar. Art Skills is $12.99 and it's a little bit smaller, and then Art Ideas is $19.99. It's a little bit higher quality and thicker book.
Art Ideas has a spiral binding inside of a hardcover. It has over 250 pages full of creative ideas and art projects, as well as a variety of exciting art materials and techniques to explore. It is truly a book for all ages. Even budding adult artists will enjoy following the easy, step-by-step instructions to hone your skills to the max. Thank you for checking out my Boredom Busting Activity Books. As you can tell, these books will fit a wide variety of ages, 7 on up through young adult. You can find the books at www.funandfantasticbooks.com.